Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-36E Feedwater heater boil feed connector for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get designing. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building Feedwater heater boiler feed connector part 1-36E for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. To open up the template MMGS, save. We want 1-36E. Okay, so let's go to... We'll do the right view this time. No particular reason, just feel like doing the right view. They're going to do a cylinder, circle first. Going to be Clayton cylinder, and that's going to be. Let's see, 12. That's going to be 24. Going to be 24 length. 24 mid plane. Didn't matter on mid plane, that one those did. Okay, so doesn't matter which end. I'm going to do this end because I felt like it. I'm going to put another cylinder. So go circle, go to dead center, and that's going to be 19. 19. Okay, doesn't matter. That's fine. And that's going to be feature extrude 5, but we want to flip which way it goes. We want to wave there. That's why I always turn it so I can see what it is. That way I know which way it's going. And okay. Internal cut does not. Oh, hold on. Oop. Extrude build. I must say external cut, didn't realise. Okay. 5. And done. Okay, I must hit external cut without realising it. I'm probably thinking of it ahead. So, okay, so now let's just save that. We want, okay, we want to put thread down here now. So we're going to go to background. We called background before? Oh, it shows the thread, so it must be it. Okay, thread location, put that one there. Okay, that's the thread. It's going to be M12 on this one. There we go. Going to be 24. And okay. There we go. And the only thing I don't like it, yeah. Okay, let me do something on this. Edit feature. Going to go this edge. Going to do it down there. Going to go up to. Oop, that's weird. Offset. Nope. There we go. And see how that looks. There we go. That's better. That's better. Okay, we still got the thing there. So let me do that again. With an offset of, I go negative 0.5. Okay, it's got to be 0.0001, I think it said. Nope. Okay. If I do 25. Do okay. There we go. There we go. That's got it. Beautiful. That worked. There you go. Thread goes right to the end. Beautiful. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Okay. Now we need to put a hole through this. And it's going to be 24 long. So click on that one. Normal 2. Do that sketch. Circle. Go in the center. Okay, it looks like all sand, but don't forget this cylinder out here. Don't freak me out there for a second. That's going to be 8 mil. And that's going to be 24 deep. And, okay. Oh, hold on. Oh, what did I do? Hold on. Hold on. Exit out that one. I did something wrong. I got ahead of myself. Let me just delete that one. Yep. Let's try that again. Do that one. Yeah, I got ahead of myself. Got the cylinder. Gonna be 8 millimeters. 8 mil. Oh yeah, 8 mil. Yep. Okay. Okay. Now we want to feature extrude. That's where we want 24. Man, well, I was getting way ahead of myself at the moment. And that one's done. There we go. Now we want that one, which is this side. Actually, let's do this side again. Sketch. We want. Should have done normal 2. That's fine. Circle. Smart dimension. Cylinder. That's going to be 10. And that's going to be extrude. Through all. Fly won't work, but I prefer to do that. There we go. Beautiful. It doesn't show a thread in that one. So that is that part done. That's part 1-36E Feedwater heater boiler feed connector done. If you enjoyed the episode or find it helpful, click that like button. If you want to see more but haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. And thank you for everyone who has subscribed. Welcome new subscribers. Got any comments, suggestions, or just want to say hi? Pop in the comments below. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.